welcome to my channel. So it has been a very long time since I've done a pick and save video slash Kroger. Kroger owns Pick and Save, but Pick and Save's like 50-50. It's 50% Kroger, 50% Roundy's. But pretty much all the deals that I do are Kroger. So I'm gonna go in the store. I got a list of some stuff to get. I have both of my children with me, but that is okay. So we're gonna go in the store, and then I'm gonna come when I get home. I'm going to show you guys my breakdown and everything, and then I possibly will do a printable breakdown. But you guys will just have to check out my haul. So let's go shopping. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I went to Pick and Save, which is affiliate with Kroger. And I'm like, I haven't been there for a while, so I was kind of just checking the ad out this morning. And then I'm like, okay, let's see if they got some Ibotta deals. And then they have cashback deals, which I haven't done in forever. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Pick and Save. I got a lot of stuff, a lot of food items, which I'm happy about. And then I got some stuff that I rarely ever get. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now, my first deal that I grabbed were these Thomas mini bagels, and then I got the brownberry sourdough bread. Okay, so you are on Fetch Rewards. You're supposed to get 2,000 points for buying this, and you get 2,000 points for buying this, and then you get an additional 1,500 points for buying this. But this one didn't say anything for 1,500 points, so I'm not sure what I'll get. But both of these are supposed to get 2,000 and 1,500, so we will see. But this was $3.49, and then if I do get the 3,500 points, this will be a freebie. Otherwise, if I only get the 2,000 points, I think $1.49 for this is a great deal. And then the bread was on sale too for $6. And some of these you can do a limited two, so if you want to buy just the bread, you want to buy two of them. I did one of each because I get a bonus for each one. But with the bread, you get 2,000 points for purchasing it, and then 1,500 points is a bonus, and it does say Pick and Save on there. That's why I did it. So this becomes a 50-cent moneymaker if you guys need to go ahead and do those deals. But something's not tricky. So I submitted my receipt, it caught it, but it didn't catch the bonus. So then I kind of played with it, submitted my receipt, and like 10 minutes later, my thing got approved, and I still didn't get the bonus. So I sent them a message, so we will see what I get. But it was just like, really? Like, I don't understand. So yeah, but I think for that bread, it's a pretty good deal. The next thing I got is a Crunch Master crackers. Now these were just regular price for $3.99. There is a digital 2 off of 2. Otherwise, we do have insert 2 off of 2 coupons too, but a digital 2 off of 2. You would pay $5.98 for this, but then there is a 2 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, and there is a 2 off of 2 cash back. So you guys will get $2 back for your cash back to use for a future purchase. So this comes out to be just $1.98 or 99 cents a piece. Not the greatest deal, but in case you guys need some of that stuff, definitely go ahead and do that. Now, last night or the night before, my husband and I were looking, we saw an ad or a commercial for the Smirnoff pink lemonade. Now, I absolutely love pink lemonade. I barely ever drink. And I'm like, oh, I want to see how this tastes. So this was on sale for $10.99. There's currently a a $2 off digital coupon that you guys can use for this. So you'll pay $8.99, and then there's a $2.50 Ibotta rebate, making this just $6.49. So if you guys need to try this, definitely go ahead and try it, but I'm hoping it tastes just as good as I love pink lemonade. So did that. Now this thing, I got a bunch of stuff in here. So I ended up doing, I was shopping the store and I finally found this one. I've been trying to find this everywhere I go. Every Target, Walmart, everywhere I go, I cannot find this flavor. So this was on sale for $1.67. $1.67 is what I paid, but there's currently a $1.99 rebate with Ibotta, making this a 32-cent moneymaker. So if you guys need to go ahead and get it, it has to be the strawberry kiwi. I've been finding all the other flavors except that one. Here's a nice little moneymaker, is the Barilla chickpeas pasta. This was on sale for $1.49. You would there is a 75-cent off digital coupon that you guys want to use, so you would pay 74 cents for this. But there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, and there is a $1 cashback deal. So you guys will get this for $1.26 moneymaker. So you guys will get this for free, and you make some money. So definitely go ahead and do it. I have yet to make pasta with this yet. I'm afraid. I don't know. There's certain things I'm always afraid to do. So I did that. So it is summer. We grill out like crazy. And why not get some barbecue sauce? So we had those coupons. Some of you guys might have $1 off of 3. I had the $1 off of 4. So these are on sale for the buy 5, get 5 deal. So these were, where did I write this down at? These were 99 cents after the buy 5, get 5 deal. So I used that $1 off of 4 coupon. And so you guys would buy 4 of them. You would pay $2.96 for this, making them each one 74 cents. So I just did it because we grill out a lot. And last time we realized we were out of barbecue sauce, so I like to just stock up. So that is something that I did just because I personally needed that. So there is an awesome coupon. Now some of you guys might have an $18 off coupon. I only had the $9 off one. But the Colgate toothpaste and the Colgate toothbrushes are for the buy 5, get $1 off each one. So these were each $1.99. $1.99, but there's currently a digital coupon for $9 off of 5. $9 off of 5, which is a great deal. So after that coupon, you actually only pay 95 cents for these. 95 cents. I am not going in order, so I have no idea where I'm looking. Yeah, 95 cents for this, which is, I think, a pretty good deal. But I actually got a $5 off Catalina that printed off. So this ends up becoming either 95 cents or a $4.05 moneymaker. You guys will get this free. And all it is just a coupon that you can use for anything on your next purchase for $5. And it doesn't expire till almost a little after July. So got those, which is a great deal. Now, I ended up getting my husband some Full Throttle. He really likes it. There was just a $1 off of 3 digital coupons. So these were 3 for $5. Use that $1 off of 3 digital coupon. I paid $4 for this, making these just $1.33 a piece. So this is his favorite energy drink. So I just got those for him, and I left the 2 upstairs because I didn't want to bring them down. The next deal I did was the Suave body wash. Now these are also the buy 5 get deal. So these were actually on sale for 89 cents. 89 cents is what the sale price was, but with my Ibotta, I actually got a 75-cent rebate. So I got these all for 14 cents a piece. It is a limit of 5. I could not pass up getting them for 14 cents a piece, so I bought 5 of them. So got those. It's a great price. That's a good product too if you guys need to donate stuff. I've been recently donating things. If you guys ever need to donate stuff, that's a great price to donate stuff. So I ended up getting the Chex Mix and Gardettos, and I've never seen these before. They've probably been around forever, but it is the bagel ones. Like, these are great. So these were on sale for $1.49 a piece. It was the Chex Mix, the Gardettos, the Nature Valley, and some like other things. So I had a coupon for $2 off of 5. So I ended up using that just because I like to have somewhat snacks. I'm trying to get rid of a lot of the sugary snacks, even though this probably has some sugar in it, but it's less sugar than if I got them fruit snacks. So these were $5.45 after the 2-off coupon. So these come out to be just $1.09 a piece, which is a pretty decent deal if you guys need to get some of that stuff. But this is great. I put these in little snack bags for the kids so they don't overeat. And I just put those in little snack bags for the kids and they eat it just fine. So I got that. Now here is the super... was it Kaleidos? This is kind of like an Oreo one, but this one is a fruity cereal flavor. We were going to pick a mint one, but it has to be this one. And it doesn't say anything. It just says it's a fruity cereal flavor. So this was just regular price for $1.99. So you would pay $1.99 for this. But then there is a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, and there is a 75-cent cashback deal with the app or whatever. So you guys would just get this for 49 cents. I'm curious to see what this tastes like, but $1.49. You can't go wrong with that. You can't go wrong with that. So I got one more bag for you guys, and I ended up doing the Philadelphia cream cheese. Usually I stock up a bunch of this stuff, but I didn't this time because I have a couple left. But these are the buy 5 deal. These are, or so was the Chex Mix, if I mentioned that. That was a buy 5. So these were buy 5. They're on sale for $1.49. You'd pay $1.49 for this. But then there's a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making this just 99 cents, which I think is a great deal for a brand name. That's the price I like to pay for that stuff. So I went and did that. So I told Ben, my kids were with me. That was a mistake. But my kids were with me, and we went. I says, Ben, if you want some popsicles, let's get some popsicles. So I really wanted to get the ices, and I was blind as a bat. I'm like, what? Really? I can't find the ices, and it was right in front of my face. It was completely fully stocked. It was just like, I was just losing my mind. But this was $3.39. So I'm going to show you guys that one. I ended up getting the Sour Patch ones. These were $3.69. And then I got the Philly Swirl brand. But the ices. So I got those. So I'm pretty excited to try these. So these are both $3.69. I did have a personal coupon for $2 off of 10 off of any frozen items. So I did use that. So I paid $8.77. Otherwise you'd pay $10.79 for this. But there is a 95-cent rebate. No, I was reading the wrong one. There is a 50-cent rebate for the, no, I'm sorry you guys, I just don't know I'm reading it. There's a 95-cent rebate for the Philly Swirl. There is a 60-cent rebate for the Sour Patch Kids, and there is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta for the icy. Then you also will get 50 cents back each cash back with the app, so you'll get $1.50 back for cash app. Or cash back. So making these just $5.22 or $1.74 a piece. So it's the summer. We go through popsicles like crazy. So I'm excited to try the icy swirl. Like I really want to try the blue raspberry with white cherry. That sounds delicious. So that is what I got at Pick and Save. I wanted to get Trix cereal. But my store was completely sold out of Trix. It was kind of sad, and I didn't want to get any other cereal. There's just a couple other things that I wanted to get. Either I couldn't find it, or my store was completely sold out or did not sell it, but that is okay. So my grand total came to $58.64. I ended up getting $15.06 back with Ibotta. Funny thing is, when I submitted my receipt, it didn't catch the Philly Swirl, so I had to, adjust that and fix it. It said, okay, when I pushed the button, 1506, I got approved. But then when I waited for it to get approved, they took one of my body washes off. It said 5 when I scanned the receipt and when I submitted it, but then when I got it approved, they said I only got 4. So I sent them a message, so they will be giving me a 75-cent money back because their system is apparently kind of weird. So with Fetch Rewards, I'm not sure what I'm going to get. I will either get 5,500 points, which is equivalent to $5.50, or I'll get $7. It's hard to say depending on what I get approved for, but I did buy the correct items according to the app. For cash back, I will have $5.25 to use for a future purchase that is going to show up in a day or so, I think is when it pops up. I did receive a $5 Catalina that I can use again on my next purchase. I finished the peak bonus, which I think I needed 5 rebates to finish that. So I got a $3 bonus for the peak. And then I finished my midweek, which I needed just 2 more items. So I got $3 for the midweek. And then there was a 50-cent Barilla bonus deal. So I got 50 cents back with that. So I ended up getting 34 items, either at $21.33 at 62 cents a piece, or it came to $19.83 at 58 cents a piece. It just depends on what I get approved for Fetch. But yeah, it's just kind of weird. So make sure if you guys submit your receipt to Fetch, they don't mess it up, because it's hard to say. I'm sorry, I'm yawning. But yeah, so I think from $60 to $20, I think that's a pretty good deal. I mean, especially for food. My price would have been cheaper if I didn't do all the Chex Mix deal. It would have been cheaper if I didn't buy the alcohol, but you know, sometimes it's nice to get things that you don't get. I was going to get the red, white, and blue Smirnoff, but I decided not to because I still have a couple left here that I want to finish. So I got that. So that was my haul, you guys. I know a lot of you guys really enjoy this. I will plan on doing more hopefully in the future. It might not be every single week. It's just too much running for me constantly. But I do want to share with you guys some more deals. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know you guys enjoy it. And I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.